Listen. Convict. He was not convict. And person who was transferred on a remand from Sabarmati jail to Prayagraj jail.
Sir.
The live
Sir,
telecast
you
was
don't
made.
have to hesitate in calling him a convict. He was convicted. Just very recently.
See what I am saying. After that he was convicted. That's why I took my word off. So the telecast was on remand, which was the remand from the Sabarmati jail to the Prayagraj jail. He was not convicted, and that event was telecasted for 24 hours on the TV. And if an accused is given so glorified chance on the national televisions,
okay,
that work for the BJP.
So I get your point, Dr. Kaushik Mishra. It is not the opposition who's trying to glorify him when they say Atiq ji or that he was made a mafia by the media. It is the BJP because it is serving their purpose. What do you have to say in defense?
You have heard the Samajwadi Party spokesperson. I just want to tell they are the architect of toolkit for the vote bank who made that particular community in vote bank, and they exploited that, and the toolkit was very well working when there is 700 round bullets fired on the Krishnanand Rai, when the Raju Pal, who was the sitting MLA, was gunned down on the roads of Prayagraj, and finally they assassinated even in going into the hospital. That was the Samajwadi Party. When the girls from madrasas was picked and raped and throw them back on the doors, that was the toolkit of Samajwadi Party. They have always utilized this particular community as vote bank, and that is why you must be knowing the name given by you people, MY factor. MY factor. What was the M and what was the Y? Everybody knows. I am adding one more M, MMY. That is Mafia MY factor. They are basically the architect of MY factor, and they always think in that way. In my opinion, whatever these people are doing, they are just doing because of vote bank, and they always call Osama ji, Atiq ji, Kasab ji, and Bhatka hua Burhan Wani. They always have got this type of sentiment, and just one line I want to say in Hindi, that माफिया के सम्मान में विपक्ष है मैदान में, nothing else, but this is the truth.
Right. Straight question to you, Ravindra Singh ji. You started by saying कि हम कंडेम करते हैं समाजवादी पार्टी, तो क्या आप मौलाना सज्जाद नोमानी को भी कंडेम करेंगे जब वो कहते हैं कि एक ओप्रेस्ड आदमी के अगेंस्ट जो किया गया, भगवान उसका, अल्लाह उसका बदला ले, वो तो शहीद है, वो तो शहीद हो गए.
जो कुछ भी अतीक अहमद को ग्लोरीफाई करने के लिए एक्टिविटी की जाएगी, चाहे भारतीय जनता पार्टी द्वारा चाहे अन्य किसी के द्वारा, उसको हम कंडेम करते हैं. अभी
क्या आपने रामगोपाल यादव जी से बात की है? क्या आपको लगता है कि वो ग्लोरीफाई कर रहे हैं अगर वो कह रहे हैं कि सारे केसेस फेक थे अतीक के अगेंस्ट?
अतीक को कन्विक्शन कितने केस में मिला था?
सर, जिस केस में मिला भी था उस केस के बाद भी तो आप उनको बोल ही सकते हैं ना कि वो माफिया हैं और वो फेक केसेस नहीं हैं, और कन्विक्शन नहीं मिला इसकी वजह मुझे आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में 1 साल तक तो एफआईआर भी नहीं हुई.
आपको मालूम ही नहीं है, असल में तथ्यों को आपकी जानकारी नहीं है.
अतीक
अहमद को 2017 में गिरफ्तार करने वाले हम लोग हैं. हम लोग 2017 में
सर अतीक अहमद को राजू पाल की हत्या के बाद टिकट देने वाले भी आप ही लोग हैं.
And you people give him the tickets from your party as MLA, as MP, and your chief minister used to shake hand with the dog of Mr. Atiq Ahmed, and your chief minister used to